Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the mapping for the Scania on Euro Truck Simulator 2. The gear shifter I'm using is the Almar SKRS Gear shift adapter with range change and split. The map on there is for the Scania, yeah? The medallion that came with this shifter is for the Scania. So let's just go through it quick. Yeah, first and fourth is back. Fifth and second is over that way, is up and to the right, my right. And then third and sixth is down and to the right. Reverse is over to the left and over. And then your crawler gears are over to the left and down. So crawler gears 1, 2. So that's your range change. So that changes between first and fourth and fifth and sixth. Yeah, okay. The split just simply makes all of these gears high and low. That's how you get 12. What are the plus 2? Plus 2 is your crawler gear, okay? And that's high, low. Right, when you go into crawler, make sure the range change is down. If the range change is up, crawler won't register. You'll think, hang on, I haven't got crawler. Just flick that range change down. This is the shifting sequence. Right, I've printed it off. So I allocated it on the computer, on the screen there, on the, you know, in the garage. So this is the map, effectively. All right, so you can just copy that. Let's just go right down. So reverse non-available. You always have the reverse bit where it says reverse there, non-available. Not always, but for the Scania. Then reverse is actually joy button 12, shifter position 1, right? Shifter position 1. Joy button 13 is shifter position 2. Leave shifter position 3 non-available, so unassign it. Unassign, you just press unassign, and then that unassigns whatever you've got on there. Right, where are we? Joy button 4 is 15, yeah? Right. Joy button 5 is 16, joy button 6 is 17. Your toggle buttons, so toggle 1 is for your range changer, and toggle 2, which is 6, you'll see it there, is your splitter. Alright, so you've got that. Let's just pan out. If you've got really good eyesight, you can pause that and you should see it. Yeah, you got it? Just copy that. Copy it. Right, so it's obviously joy. So once you're under non-available, joy button 3 is first. Yeah, so that's joy button 3. Joy button 4 is up to second or second and fifth, and joy button 5 is third and sixth. All right, so that's what you'll get. The crawler is 13, remember. So it's over and down and then up and down 1 and 2. There, your plus 2s, reverse over there. I've already shown you that. On the computer, I'll go to the actual truck itself. What are we doing? We're going back to drive. Okay, I don't want to use too much of my time. I'm not joking. I'm about to go out on a trucking job. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, let's just push the clutch down, because if I don't, we shall grind the gears. Keep an eye on that. Ready? So without the clutch going down, you get that. You grind the gears and putting the clutch down. First low, first high. Second low, second high. A third low, a third high. Right, just change the range up. Put down to low, change the range. Fourth low, fourth high. Oops, fifth low, fifth high. Sixth low, sixth high. Right, and then if I want to go back to first, which I wouldn't recommend because you blow your engine up. There we go, back into first. And there we go. You see, so that's how that works. Crawler. Right, okay, not crawler, reverse. You get a high and a low. That's using that split shift button. Crawler. Crawler 1, crawler 2. There are your +2s. Okay. Right, I'm going to go and do a bit of gaming now. Obviously, if you want to do it, you know, you should, if you're watching this, you should know how to do this really, but you go to control. Okay, all the way down. I'm going to get my foot off that clutch. And you get to here, and this is where you start allocating your buttons, okay? Allocate your buttons. Lots of videos on how to set up the Almar stick shift adapter, but not many showing you the mapping. All right, so there we go. Let's hope you can see it a bit better on there. Pan right out. It's not that good. I'm just gonna pan in. You just have to keep pausing this. Yeah, okay. There we go. That's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed I hope this was helpful. And until the next video, we're down, we're clear, we're gone. Goodbye.